Hello friends, welcome to Sarika's Art Fundas. Today just I was watching a toy from my house and some lines of rhymes click in my mind. Jumping horse, let us cross trees and bushes and mountains and valleys and rivers and lakes which removes our stress. Jumping horse, let us cross. Today we are going to draw a toy drawing of jumping horse. If you like my videos, please share it. Press bell icon because you will get notifications of my video, further interesting videos, and please subscribe my channel. Friends, before drawing, always we have to observe the object whatever we are drawing. Now we have to observe the horse very well. Then only our drawing will be perfect. First we have to do light sketch of horse and whatever toy we are drawing, and then we have to make it dark. See it carefully, watch, and then only we have to draw. Then the sketch of this boy. This boy sketch also I have done little lightly first. Goggle. Hand of this boy. Now see this toy minutely, and our drawing is ready with details. Head, face, shirt, horse, legs, and base of the toy. Friends, in this toy, this color and this color is same. Pant and horse color is also same. So I am going to change this coat and pant color. Here I am going to apply pink. You also can give the color of your choice. I have taken blue color and white color for shading. Little more white for showing the lighter effect. In horse hair and tail, transparent effect is there. For that I have made the color thin with water. That color we are going to apply here. With dark red, we are going to use the merging technique when the color is wet. same shading we are going to do in this part, hair part of the horse. Now from this purple color I have made here 3 shades, dark tone, middle tone and light tone. With this we are going to color the body and face of the horse with shading. Here is the lighter tone. Children, if you are feeling the memory drawing hard, first you have to practice the toys to draw nicely. Then you will feel the memory drawing, human figures also very easy. See the shading, light tone, middle tone, now darker tone I am going to apply. Same thing we are going to do in this horse, in full body. Now we have completed the horse coloring with the shades of purple color, and somewhere I have given the direct purple color to show the depth. Now for this part, this is the peacock blue plus white I have made here in the color dish, and here we are going to apply here. Now we are giving the shade of light green color. Here I have applied light green, mixed light green plus little dark green, and we are going to do the shading with light green also, like this, and merge. To show the transparent effect of this blue upper of the base, that we are going to create blue plus little more water, give the effect, and then from the outlines we are going to apply little darker tone, like this. These all portions are over. Now we are going to apply flesh tint color on the face, and simultaneously we are going to do the shading with brown color. Shading with brown color and merging. On this transparent effect we are going to show the highlights like this with direct white color. We are going to apply black color in the hair, goggle, eyeballs and horseshoes. Now our painting is over. We are going to create the outline with black sketch pen, and here red sketch pen in the lips. Now we are doing the outline. Here also in the hand we will be doing the outline. Now our horse and horse rider is ready. You can see the toy and the drawing. Here if you want you can do the background, but it's an object drawing toy, so no need of doing the background. If you want you can do it landscape. You can do the landscape for background. Do you enjoy this toy painting? Thank you for watching my video.